Welcome to PTC WaterTech LLP. We provide complete solutions for water or wastewater treatment projects. In this video, we are going to explore the sewage treatment plant based on the MBBR technology process. The overall plant is designed on the basis of biological treatment concept. The very first step of the treatment is screening, where the large or floating materials get arrested. This will help to avoid blockage or choking of the downstream equipment. The arrested material can be removed manually and disposed of suitably. Then the effluent will enter into the equalization tank through an oil and grease chamber, where the uniform flow at the downstream treatment process is provided. This will avoid shock loading and process upsets of the treatment plant. To avoid settling of suspended solids in this tank, a continuous air agitation is provided with the help of an air blower. Now the effluent will be transferred with the help of the pump into the anoxic tank, where the process of nitrification and denitrification will take place with the intake of wastewater. Then effluent from anoxic tank to aeration tank will flow by gravity. Aeration tank, it is the heart of the technology where degradation of BOD and COD take place. It is done with the help of aerobic microorganism and MBBR media. All the aerobic bacteria will settle down into MBBR media, which results in degradation of BOD and COD. To maintain the aerobic condition in the bioreactor, air supply arrangement is provided by means of air blower, which has high oxygen transfer efficiency. Then it will be collected in the distribution chamber by gravity, where a sleeve is provided with a strainer that avoids MBBR media to pass through it. Here a pump is given to provide the recirculation of effluent from the distribution chamber to anoxic tank. Then the distribution chamber effluent will be collected in the tube settler tank by gravity. In this, generated sludge and dead bacteria from the bioreactor undergo a gravity settling. To reduce the plan area of the settling tank, tube modules are placed in this tank to increase the settling area of the tank. On top of the tank, PAC dosing system is also provided in the effluent. Clear supernatant from the settling tank will flow by gravity to an intermediate storage tank. In this tank, the harmful bacteria in the treated water is disinfected, as well as the refractory organics from the treated water are removed by dosing hypochlorite solution in the tank with the help of a dosing system. The treated water from the intermediate storage tank will be further pumped through a pressure sand media filter, where the suspended particles will be removed which are not settled down in the settling tank, and then to the activated carbon filter, where the smell and color of the effluent will be reduced. Then the treated effluent is further disinfected with the help of the ozonation for the reduction of E. coli and bacteria. Finally, the filtered water will be collected in the irrigation flushing water tank, from where it will be used for desired non-potable applications such as gardening and flushing. Settled sludge from the tube settler will be removed by pumping it to the sludge holding tank, where it can be disposed out or recycled for sludge dewatering. The sludge dewatering equipment removes all the water from the sludge and will be collected in the equalization tank for the further process. To know more, please check out our contact details.